Hello guys, welcome to Mission Engineers UPSC. Today we are going to understand an interesting topic. Recently, Mamata Banerjee was unable to win in Nandigam, right? But she has taken up the oath recently, right? 2 days back. How even are not able to win a seat and how she became CM. Today we will be understanding about that. Okay. First, requirement of CM. I mean, to become a CM, what are the requirement for that person? Either he has to be a MLA or else MLC, right? Either in legislative assembly has to be a member or else in legislative council. Okay, next, these are the first requirements to become a CM. Okay, even other things also there, that is a citizen of India and at least 25 years of age. Okay, even those are there, but this is important. Next, what if she's she or he is not an MLA or MLC? Yeah, then what if, yeah, even then that person can become a CM, but only for 6 months. Even then, she or he can become a CM. But how? This is the small thing in the constitution. A person not belonging to either house or either house can be appointed as the chief minister. However, within 6 months of his tenure, CM should be elected to either house, either which he sees to be a CM. Means he has a chance of 6 months, 6 months within which he has to be elected to either houses of that state, right? Okay, so from either house he can be present. Okay, right? Next, the I mean, any incident happened recently? Yeah, of course. CM of Maharashtra, that is Uddhav Thackeray, I think he was elected in the same manner. Okay, but there is council, legislative council in Maharashtra. Governor of that state has nominated with so and so field. Okay, governor has the chance to nominate few persons in council. So there was a way. So Thackeray got elected through that way. But in Bengal, there is no legislative council. Then, for only way for our Didi to continue as a chief minister is she has to get elected in legislative assembly and become a MLA. Then how? General elections got completed 2 weeks back. Even results came. Then how? By elections. By elections are conducted when there is any vacancy. Okay, are there any vacancies? Yeah, of course. Two seats were vacant. Two were due to death of that person before the election to nominees. Okay, next, one vacancy due to recent due to death of that person being elected. I mean, being elected to that seat, but due to coronavirus he got died. He died. Okay, means there are three vacancies. Either one of that Mamata Banerjee has to won, right, and become a MLA. Why she can't become MLC? There is no legislative council in West Bengal as it is present in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. Okay, in Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra there are even few other states. Even three states have this legislative council. But even Andhra Pradesh is thinking of uh, completely abolish this legislative council. Some things are happening to do that. Parliament has to decide. Okay, for cancelling any legislative council. Okay, next. So this, what if by-elections are not conducted? Let us see. If what by-elections are not conducted within 6 months, Banerjee has to resign. Then why EC, that is Election Commissioner, will not conduct that? There will be some circumstances like what is happening now. COVID crisis, right? It has become a daily we are seeing around 4 lakh cases. So in that circumstances, EC with central government, look at this, central government will decide whether to conduct or not in a crisis. This is the thing. Let us see how BJP will think whether to conduct or not a election to their right enemy Banerjee. Okay, let us see what will happen. We have 6 months of time. Even cases may reduce. Okay, then EC may conduct, but there is no obligation on EC that he has to complete these elections within so and so time. Okay, there is no such obligation in constitution as well. So, but one thing is there. If if Banerjee doesn't get elected within 6 months, she has to resign. Someone has to take her place. Okay, but if after 6 months, I mean, she has resigned, and EC has conducted elections, and then she won, then she wins, then she can take up that seat again. Okay, that is the point. Fine, this is how will happen. Let us see what will happen. Hope everything will go in right place. Fine, thank you, all the best. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.